What's up, y'all? Welcome back to a new video. You already know how we finna go. In today's video, damn, my car's stuck in the corner. I gotta take it out. I'm probably not even gonna really see y'all until I get to the spot that we doing this at. But today we putting something new on this car, as you can see from the title. We got a new Y pipe for it. That's the last exhaust piece that I needed for this car. So now it's got a pretty good exhaust system on it to be able to supply what I'm going with on it. But yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I get there. All right, we're gonna bring the G in now. I think I left the keys in here. Yeah, left the keys in the rental. Open me up. Open accessory. Let's get in there before it gets hot. Get it cut off before it gets too hot. Cause I already know. Hey, we made it in the garage. Trying to get this thing jacked up.
You put it on the center thing?
Yeah, I guess so.
Transmission took the entire thing?
Yeah, pretty much. It's like a half a quart lift. We can get up under there. It's crazy. I didn't even lower this car yet and it's so low still. We gotta let it down, I think. Yeah. Oh, yep, keep going. You went up some, you might have to go back down. There you go. A little bit more.
Yeah.
Right there, that should be good.
Yeah, I think that's as far as it's gonna go.
All right, let's raise her on up. Look at them tires, boy. Whew. Them tires is no good. I need alignment in the front.
How high? Keep going?
Yep.
A bit lopsided. I don't know if that's just me.
It's straight. We'll go as high as we can, right?
Yeah.
Putting them arms to work. Oh, shit.
Way up there.
We need, yeah, we need all that room, especially if all three of us gonna be trying to get up under there and see. Yeah. I need my hands and stuff.
Keep going.
Yep.
Okay. Just don't stop.
Making all that noise.
Yeah, you can stop there. All right.
Time for this little ugly ass Y pipe to come out of here. Little ugly ass Y pipe. Damn, my heat wrap was black. That shit white now. Damn. That bit must have been getting hot.
Oh yeah, your tires sound exactly how they look.
I told you. That's why you hear that like when you turn the wheel. This shit's done. Front tires on the G, back tires on the Beamer. Can't win for losing. Let's lay on it. Yeah.
Your Y pipe, do it have the sensor? Oh wait, it's behind. You just replaced what's behind the sensors, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The sensor, those the headers.
Yeah.
The headers come all the way back this far.
Yeah.
I have to splice into the wire harness and extend the harness for the O2 sensor. All right, here we go. 2 over here, 2 over there, 2 back here. Should be pretty simple. Hopefully everything works out good. Let me see if I can get the camera to stay somewhere.
Let's see how it fits. So,
oh, okay.
Do a test. Measure the lengths.
Oh shit, about the same.
I'm right here. You on? You good there?
Yep.
Nice. Good.
Y pipe time.
Nice. You did good.
Found it all quick.
Yep. It's good, guys.
Yep.
It's gonna get crusty.
Yeah. I think these are bigger. These are 15s. Yeah, if I can remember right. Yep. Let me get a 15, Micaiah.
Yep.
Oh, you already going?
He ain't playing, boy.
Nope, he on it. Oh, damn.
Mike need the 15 wrench too.
Wrench?
Yeah, Mike.
I think it's a 13 wrench.
Okay, 13.
And we might need an extension because I can't get all the way up in there.
I have I give you this one.
Yep, it's still not long enough.
Okay.
Need a little short extension.
And can we have the short
Let me see that.
extension, please? Yeah, on top of the toolbox.
Yep.
Nice.
I got heartburn.
Really?
Probably because I haven't eaten all day.
Oh, probably, yeah.
Ooh, I tighten these tight. I did these by hand.
So it's tight.
Tight as hell.
This factory white type is very restrictive.
Yeah? I would have never known that it was as restrictive.
You feel the difference when you put it on.
What the hell? If you can, try to set this up for me right on the front of the jack. If you tap the screen, it'll see on it. That way you can know what you're doing. We had an 18.
Yeah.
Damn,
My
nigga.
bad,
You
my
good?
bad, my bad, my bad.
Let it go.
Go to that store. I had it was actually a 17. Okay, finger.
Listen, just makes it too good.
Oh, you
Slide it on. Yeah, I thought you doing too much.
No, you good.
15 on one side and then 13. I
So
mean,
looks like
17.
Yo. Is this supposed to burn?
Yeah, it's hot, ain't it?
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, that's that 4K. That 4K makes it get stupid hot. There we go. Got you. Slide. Nah, that'd be cool as hell. Man, that's so small. I've been looking at it.
They got some weight to
It's probably heavier than this.
Yes, no, that's all these gaskets to see. Okay, yes, it's not restrictive, so we can. So you see, this is the correct. You see the size how it matches.
Right. Oh, we might need some new screws.
Why?
Because this one they were nuts on there.
That's fine. I have.
Okay. See my exhaust hanging now? The weld broke out of the bottom back there. Just slide forward, yeah. There we go, that's good.
You need me to hold something up or no?
I think we should be.
Yeah, we should be able to do it.
You have it there, AJ?
Yep.
Just keep that side up so I can slip this back. Thank you.
Gotta find two screws for that part down there. The gasket right here.
The back is what broke off, you said?
Yeah, way down there at the end.
What's holding it up?
Exactly.
This one in the middle right here is holding it. It's got two. One hanger here and one hanger was down there. The hanger way down there, yeah. I just looked at it like the other day and I was like, I hear something in the back dangling. And I went to go look and it was the weld broke out. So can we reuse this one or no?
That's gonna be a hard one to catch.
Which one?
This, cause it's
Since it's at an angle?
yeah, can you ask your cousin just to the back?
Yeah, you want to come back here, Micaiah?
To the back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just to try to hold that exhaust up so we can get it level.
Yeah, what you like?
Alright guys, so the white pipe is in. We're gonna tighten it down now. Get everything together. Alright, white pipe installed. All the way done. All right. Let's see if it sounds any different with the Y pipe.
That's just loud. A little too loud. Oh, this nigga going home.
Dang, that sound right in my face. Ooh, it does sound different on solid. It don't do that pop noise anymore. Sounds so different. I've been spinning first. Feels way different though.
Yeah, it's like it feel heavy pushing
Yeah.
back.
Alright, let's get some popping action real quick. Low-key don't like the decel at low RPMs. I bet low-key do be spitting. Alright, we made it to the crib. Let's get this stink ass nigga out of here because he stink shit in his damn.
My bad, I forgot what to grab.
No, you straight. Made it back to the crib. My take on the Y pipe is it's beneficial. It definitely works. Makes the car feel way different. Makes it grunt more. Gives me. I believe the Y pipe gives you more high end power, and then the next mod that we get should be giving us more low end power. So yeah, we made it to the crib. Long day. Finished everything up. We got a lot done today. But yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank y'all all for watching. Smash that like button, sub if you haven't already, and yeah, that's all I gotta say. I'll see y'all in the next one.